Hi everyone, it's Christy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do an unboxing of my Paparazzi Starter Kit. I was with Paparazzi about 5 years ago, and recently I just decided to rejoin, and today I received my starter kit, so I thought I would go through it with you. Okay, it looks like the first thing is a party planner, so let me open that. Apologize for the plastic. Another piece of plastic on there. Okay, and of course that has a laminated cover, so you're going to see that that's reflective because I have the overhead light, but it says Party Planner Paparazzi. So let's get that open. It's a piece of tissue. Look, free journaling supplies. Okay, so there's the mission statement. This is ranks and recognition, all about the fashion fix, clientele, checklist. This is fabulous. A calendar. Oh yeah, this is wonderful. So, and it's not dated, which is fabulous because you can start where you want. It doesn't have to be January of 2021. So this is all calendar here. Oh, look at that. Lots of calendar. Plenty of room. And I'm just going tab by tab. Then there's a place, looks like, for notes. And then there's a glossary of paparazzi frequently used terms. There. Cool. All right, so that is pretty much your manual. All right, let's see, what else have I got here? Here is a welcome envelope. I'm hoping if I just stay in this board, then it should be there we go. Okay. All right, so this is a welcome packet. Oh my goodness, guys, look at this. It flips and flips. So up here, it has the mission statement. Okay, and then in here, there is a quick start guide. I know you guys aren't going to be able to see this because this is huge. So we have a quick start guide here. Get in there. Okay. And then that closes back down. And then what's down here? If I can even get part of it in on screen, it'll be great. Okay, so it flips out this way. And it flips out this way. You guys know that I'm going to be recreating this in a smaller version for a journal of some sort. This one is Paparazzi Become, Invite, Accessorize. So I'll have to go through this. But just the presentation is really cool. I'm excited. That I like the way that's put together. Definitely going to replicate that. All right. And then we have this little box. Looks like this. Okay, this is hooks for a display, like a pegboard. Okay, whole box of those. That's fun. All right. And this is not open, so let's get that open. I'm sure this is going to be all of the thank you cards, invitations, and such, I think. Okay, so, oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? All right, so there's a paparazzi sticker for my car. Great, because it's pink. Oh, a checklist for your first call. And this is a receipt book. And another checklist for before the party. free blings. So I believe if you buy 12 accessories, you get the 13th free. So that's good to know. And this is the compensation plan. These must be applications for new consultants, yeah. Same thing here, consultant information. Here is a jewelry display. This is like velvet. And I apologize there again for the glare. This is a repair kit. That's nice. Repair kit with the pink tweezers, which I already have a pair of these tweezers from last time. Then we've got some thank yous and envelopes, and this is party invitations, yeah, and some bags. Nice pink bags, great. So that is fun, guys. All right, so I'm going to get this back in here, and we'll get to the point of the matter. I think that was like that. You know, it never goes back in the box the way it came out. So let me get that box out of the way. Okay, guys, you're going to get a reflection if I leave everything in the bag. So I think what I'm going to do is put this on mute and open everything so that you can see it. The one thing that I wish they did, and I understand why, but the sticker's on the bag. So if I take it out of the bag, I don't have the name anymore. So I have to put it back in the same bag. So I'm going to do all of this one by one, and then I will fast forward so that you can see everything with its natural beauty, and then I will put them back in the bag. But if I fast forward and take out the sound, you won't have to worry about all the crinkling. If you're interested in any of these that you see, you can go to the link to shopping for Paparazzi to my store. It'll be in the description box. And if you cannot find it there and I still have it available here, you can just send me an email and we'll work it that way. Because some of these sometimes are no longer available. So there you go, guys. That's my unboxing video for Paparazzi jewels. And as I collect more items, I have a minimum that I'll be bringing in every month. I'll do an unboxing video. And if you're interested in anything, like I said, check out the website first. They do have, if you, I think it's buy 12, get one free. And there again, $5. You can shop for bracelets, shop for necklaces. Don't forget, all the necklaces come with a free pair of earrings. You can shop for rings. Sometimes there are lanyards. Sometimes there are hair pieces. All kinds of different things. And so just check back. The stock changes on a regular basis. And if you're looking for something specifically that you have seen on my desk and you can't find it online, just shoot me a little email over to burlapanddailybread@gmail.com and let me know which piece that you were interested in that you cannot find on the website. All right, if it's still available, we'd be happy to make arrangements for you to get that. So thanks for watching, everyone. I will see you next time. Bye now.